Alright guys, we got a 88 Land Rover. The customer complains. I'm gonna put them up on the top here. But pretty much he said that it's blowing white smoke. You guys heard it outside. I was gonna try to record that, but that didn't happen. Alright, so I got all the plugs off. I'm going to try to record as much as I can, but yeah. Anyway, I got some footage on this cylinder, and so it's 5 and 7 and 8 on the other side. It's leaking on top of the starter. Not sure if I can get you guys in there. Right there. Cylinder number 8. So cool. Let's stir it out. Alright, so we got the fan shroud out. Pull the wires right out. Told them about that. I got a water pump coming. Doing the head gaskets, right? Might as well. Thermostat is down here. We got one of those coming too. But yeah, let's go. Getting the radiator out. I just put this thing in here. Took us about 2 months to get a good one, so I don't want to damage it. Up away. Face. I'll work on the hose, get all the belts off, accessories, pull them out the okay. No? No go? No go for me? Jesus. Figure why it's not moving. Okay. Awesome. That was loose. Alright, let me mark the wires where they go. I got a feeling this is gonna take a long time. Just grab a marker. Literally paint the whole connector. That way we know where it goes. Turn on the main rod here. Okay. Jesus Christ. It's too big for the alternator. Like there was a nut on the back of it. Alright. Oh. God, can you stop dropping stuff? Gonna remove the plenum. Should be straightforward. That's what she said. Yeah. Here I got 2, 4, 6 Allen. Undo the cables, some hoses. And I think that's it. Alright, so I got the throttle off. You just gotta be careful with the 2 springs. There's a little one on the bottom here. And it connects it down here to this lever. When you put it in, you gotta make sure it's like this. Okay, because if you put it like that, it's gonna rub. It's going to rub here. And there are 2 levers on the back here. This whole mechanism will just push it out of the way. A few more things that to disconnect here. We'll just leave this in here until we get the plenum out, then I'll flip it over that way. Another vacuum hose here. So probably gonna have to replace and all of them. Okay. Got my fresh air out. Show you guys. This tube right here, there's a check valve in here. So don't, if you break it, you gotta get this piece. You can't just put a regular T in here. This is for the distributor advance. Gotta make sure this check valve is good. This is another fresh air. We're getting a new one. I think I found all of them. But that's 6 Allens, and that should come up. My coolant hoses. I hope this is not the motor that the sleeves drops. You know, the sleeves, not these ones. What the actual kahuna is going on there? Yeah, she's been around the block a few times. Everything's RTV. Silicone. So they say here that chrome won't get you home. Silicone won't get you home. This is crap. Cutting all the hoses up. Looks like this one is just a fuel hose someone put in here. So if I can get I'm not sure if I'm gonna find this hose. Alright, we got some coolant in there. Oh well. Can't be that much. Look at that. That's like a work of art. Wow. Special. Okay, we got the 6 of them out. That does not come out of there. Holy moly. Another vacuum line down here, I think. Yep. Goes to the fuel pressure regulator. Everything's got zip ties on it. So, there we go. I think we can just get the lower one out now. There's no gasket here, I guess. Right? Doesn't look like. I can't remember. It's been so long. Everybody just junk these things up, but not this one. Oh, see a gasket there. Is it missing? While we're working on the pump, I'll push that out. Get this out. Yeah. It's a lot of work. I don't think they realize it. It's on the books for 10 hours. Back in '89. Alright guys, so we got the intake manifold out, 3 pieces. I pulled the injector rail out. I'm resealing that out, so cleaning the intake. Got the push rods out on this side, taking the head bolts out in sequence. Oh yeah, the bracket on this side, and we got to deal with this bracket too. But it's going along. Okay. Most of these bolts have lock washers in. Yeah, right there. Put it here for now. Don't worry, I won't forget it. With the 2-hand. Okay. And on the other side, I believe we got a bunch of grounds. Put these away. did I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I didn't grab that last one out yet. I don't think I did. See if I can get that with a washer. I got it. Right there. Okay, we got it. We? Were you French?
Yes, I am French.
We? Oh yeah, you are French. I forgot that. Rousseau. Ha ha ha.
One of these days, I'm gonna schedule a day off, and I'm just gonna come in and eat a bunch of edibles and just hang around and be super annoying. And I'm not gonna care what you say about me because I'm gonna be
Which is fine, because you won't realize it won't kick your ass.
oh, I'll feel it, I'll remember it, and then I'll have to fight it later once I sober up. I need my school back.
There we go. Another round.
Good.
Probably gonna really change once I grab it.
This power stay out of here.
Actually, no, I don't know. Just say, can't you regard it? Reduce down just a little bit.
Hey, you need to practice, so you won't lose that. No, I'm good. I'm done putting shitty crap ass lifts in vehicles that
I
don't
don't know,
work.
what you're done with is fucking up, Dave. Don't be swinging those fucking lifts or anything, you fuck up.
No, I'm just saying, this in general is a massive waste of
See
time.
what was that?
7.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, no. Babe. Oh, holy. Come on. Oh, baby. Most of them are loose. Oh, you know what? We forgot to drain the block on this side. Flipperonis. Starting to steam clean over there. This is the other cylinder we saw on the walls. Fun. Oh, I found the problem. Right there. Rover. Yeah.